Hey, what's up, Reef Finance coin holders? What's going on this time? The Reef Finance price is pumps up, so I think it's really good pump up, and definitely after a short term, every coin will pumps up. So I think that's really good news for all of you, my friends. To Reef Finance price is increasing now. Definitely after a short term, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, if they will pumps up, remember my brothers, so they will give you a very good profit. Please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% get a very good profit. Absolutely, definitely, if you are starting holding in this time, so I hope my friends to in upcoming days the price is very fastly increasing. You can see from last 7 days this is only 31.47% they will get a profit. Remember my brothers, to every coin in this time is very badly face down, because my brother, this is it's all crypto market is incomparable. So therefore every coin condition is very critical now, and fails down after a short fails, they will more fails down. But don't worry, refinance is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. This time everything is going 100% very good now. So therefore I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to don't worry if they were fails down. So does not mean you are starting selling. Holders hold down. I hope my friends in upcoming times they will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope my friends in upcoming time the really huge explosion coming soon, because in last 10 days of every month every coin will completely on the profit. So therefore I hope my friends in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. Alright, so in last 12 hours you can see 2.66% they will get a profit. I think it's also very good news for all of you. To last 12 hours this is only Reef Finance will pumps up and give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching my all viewers, my subscriber. My opinion is for all of you to please hold, and especially if you are new in crypto, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.